How to cook crispy fish fillet with mushrooms and sprouts. First things first, let's slice the fillet. Here I have Nile Perch. Next, get a plate and add some cornstarch. Add the Sinigang Mix Powder. And add some breading mix. You can put more if you want. You could also add garlic powder. Next, we will dredge the fillets in the flour. Now it's time to fry the fish in oil over medium heat. Once cooked, set them aside. Next, we heat oil again in another pan and we cook the mushrooms. Add in some chopped leeks, and around 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Now, add in the mung bean sprouts or toge and some liquid seasoning. And we're done. Thank you for watching.